So hello everyone, actually we have solved some practice questions from this soil water relationship. So from this video onwards I'll solve all the previous year GATE questions from this soil water relationship chapter. So in every problem I'll follow the general method only, like what has been given in the data, and then draw the T-phase diagram if required, and what formula has to be used to tackle this problem. Okay, we have already know some 12 to 13 formulas, so those 12 to 13 formulas only will be helpful in solving all our questions from this soil water relationships. So let us solve one by one question. Okay, first read the question. A saturated sand sample has dry unit weight of 18 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, saturated sand sample has dry unit weight of, so what he has given, gamma d he has given. So let us write gamma d is equal to, how much he has given, 18 kilonewton per meter cube, and then a specific gravity of 2.65. so specific gravity is also given, so gs is equal to 2.65, and what more he has given, if unit weight of water is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube, unit weight of water is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So gamma w is equal to how much, 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So finally what he has asked us to calculate, find the water content of the soil. So w we has to calculate. So this question has been appeared in GATE 1992. It's a 2 marks question and it's a very simple question only. So we know that the relationship between gamma d and g and gamma w. So and also one more thing he has mentioned, it is saturated. Saturated means S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. So first let us write the formula. Gamma d is equal to g gamma w by 1 plus e. Gamma d is equal to g gamma w by 1 plus e. So gamma d how much he has given? 18 he has given. G we know 2.65 into gamma w also he has given, that is 10, divided by 1 plus e. Divided by 1 plus e. First e calculate, 2.65 into 10 divided by 18 minus 1. So e is coming out to be 0.472. 0.472. And also we know the relationship between E in terms of water content, that is Sehwag. E into S is equal to GS into W. So E how much we have calculated? 0.472 into, so saturated sand, saturated matlab S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. So G how much he has given? 2.65. 2.65 into water content. So water content is only unknown for us. So 0.472 divided by 2.65. So it is coming around 0.178. So water content is equal to 17.8%. 17.8%. So this is as simple as that. So simple question which is based on this soil water relationships only, as appeared in the GATE exam. That means you have to remember this 12 to 13 relationships. So thanks for watching my lecture. If you find the content is useful, please like and subscribe to my channel as well. So from the next video onwards, we'll solve one question by one question. Slowly we'll complete the syllabus. So okay, thank you.